Hi, thanks for checking out our website. You might be wondering who we are and what we offer. Well, Intechtel is a service-based company focused on providing every technology service that a small business might need. But keep in mind, we have lots of residential customers as well. It's helpful to think about our business in 3 parts because Intechtel stands for Internet, Technology, and Telephone. We offer high-speed business and residential internet at a fair price. Our technology services include tech support, data cabling, surveillance, Wi-Fi networks, and even web design and SEO services. We install feature-rich phone systems in new construction and existing office buildings. We also offer telephone service. So call today. Speak to an Intechtel representative for more information. We hope to hear from you soon.